What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have a gaming chair, you guys, a racing style gaming chair. Not like this gaming chair. This gaming chair is more like more of a casual gaming chair. But this one will give you the race car seat type of feel. And on top of that, this one has massaging seats. Be careful on how you open your box, because remember, your gaming chairs are fabric, so you don't know how they have it assembled inside the box. So when you open the box, just open the sides first. That's what I suggest, because when you open the sides, you go on cardboard, okay? Cardboard on cardboard when you open the box. And then when you open it, you want to lift up and then cut. But don't do a real deep cut, just lift it up, make a slice. So like I said, when you open from the side, you cardboard on cardboard. Don't know if anybody know that or not. I'm just giving you some advice so you don't cut your seat. So one, it says, please install the split pin into the 5-star disc. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. So this should be step one. It just says insert this. I'll leave it like that. This is usually the standard when you put casters in. You get your caster and then you pop it in. Okay, that's the basics of it. Okay, don't overthink this. Caster, you put it in. All right, put the other one in, and where's my other one? Where's my other caster, you guys? Missing one? Oh, here it is. And we're gonna put the last one in. All right, so all casters are in. Step 3, it wants us to install the gas lift. We installing the dust cover right now. Just put it right on top. Slide it on. Step 5. Y'all know I love the smell of new electronics. Right here we have the adjuster. We got to figure out which way, which shouldn't be too hard. All right, step 5. So the adjuster has to be on this side. Okay, because the foot adjustment is right there. Okay, so if I'm looking at it straight like this is how it goes on right here. All right. So this is how I'm looking at it, ladies and gentlemen. Now, the screws we need. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And we're going to use the Allen key that it comes with. Again, I'm going upstairs to my headset. So we just want to do this right away. Like you don't have literally. Right. Is that right? Oh, no, it's front right there, guys. I'm going back to picture. But is that front? So that is the front of the unit. One room, and the back. Is this one? There we go. Yeah, that's right, guys. What do you think about this? It's tight. That's true. I'm doing another quarter turn just to make sure it's nice and tight. Don't wobble while I'm doing whatever it is I'm going to do. All right. Let me take out the armrest. When I'm facing it, it's right. All right. But when you backwards, it's left. So your left side will be over here. Just do what it says on the paper, you guys. I'm done explaining myself. All right. So we need to put O's in here. So we got 2 O's over here. All right. Where's my tool? Got the other 2 O's. Where did I do my tool? All right. Now what I'm doing. All right, guys. I'm doing this. I'm doing this. I'm doing this. Let me just go ahead and place these last 2 screws in. Okay, you guys. So we have everything tightened up. It's telling us to go ahead and put the straps on, but I'm going to go ahead and put it on the shaft just to have it on here. It'd be more comfortable working with it. So we line it up and place it on. All right, that's how you put the chair on. All right, now we're getting somewhere. I like their logo, how the X is in the middle. I like that. That's pretty cool. All right, so they want us to go ahead and put the pillows on. So you have one strap here, and there's no up and down on this. All right, they do have a zipper right here. So you got the stuffing in there. Put it in the back and then buckle it. Nice. All right, now they want us to put this one on the bottom. Put it through, put this through, that, and then snap. All right. Now, you see how this is right here? Just push it down to the bottom, because this is supposed to be for your lower back to secure the backrest. Okay, so step 8, they're telling us to go ahead and put this onto the seat, okay? So I kind of skipped a step on y'all already. And now what we're doing is going to put the backrest on. So let's see how this works. Okay, so it has 2 holes right here, all right? 2 holes right here on the side, and line it up. That's all you do. Line it up, you guys. Same thing with this side. All right, that's lined up. Just have to kind of like push out some and squeeze it. It's going to be real tight, but y'all can do it. And then you have to find the holes. There we go. All you got to do is line it up, find the holes. So now we're going to put in here. So we got in. All right, get that in. Now just adjust until you find the other hole. It's a little hard, but as a matter of fact, I'll put the top one first. It's a little hard, but you just keep wiggling. All right. Again, I wish I had my wrist set, but I can't find it. Here's what it is. All right. We're almost done, guys. To be honest with you, this is, putting game chairs together is really not hard, really, really not hard. All right. Now we're gonna put this side together. And the same thing, find the holes, but the top one first is a little bit harder. All right, and have a little fabric. And should be the same as this. Oh, I have to do some of this one. Let's see. So you see how some of the letters there? I'm gonna get underneath. There we go. Nice. So, not that bad. It's still a workout, you guys. Don't get too mad with it. All right. All right. All right, you guys. All right, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and put this cover on. When you put the cover on, there's a little piece right here, right? And it goes in like recessed in there. So what you do is put it on so it snaps. All right. On your hex driver, there is a screwdriver part. So all right, I think it's in. All right. And then you have a cap cover and it's flush. So, well, I see there's a little space here where you could try to take it out. So that's cool. If you ever have to take it out, maybe it becomes loose and you have to take it off, then yeah. Maybe I should have left that part open. All right. So we got this side. Again, we're going to snap it in. Ugh, there we go. Put the screwdriver in. Put the screw in. Okay, you guys. So we got that. We got that. This turns on its own like that. That's pretty cool. You can adjust. Very nice. I like this, you guys. And if you got wider hips, you can, again, go underneath and scoot it out a little bit more. If you have wider hips, footrest. All right. So you do have extra caps. I didn't put the cap on, but when you put the caps on, you put one on here and then you got to put one here. But I'm not going to put it on because in case it becomes loose, I can always just easily tighten it up. This exposed don't bother me. So that's your personal preference, but that's how you put it on. All right, you guys. And the last thing that we need to do is hook up the most important part, which is the massage controller. All right, you guys. And now for the moment of truth. We have everything together. Everything is good. You can turn the armrest just like that. If you have wider hips, you can actually go under and scoot it over just a little bit more, but remember you have to unscrew. You do have your leg rest. Pull out your leg rest, flip it just like that. All right. And for what everybody really want to see, and we'll get into it. We'll get into it, you guys. All right. So we have already hooked up our red wire and connected that together. We hooked up our remote controller, connected that together. We hooked up this black wire, all right? And the black wire is our power cord. So what we're going to do is give us some power. You have about 4 foot of wire, 4 to 5 foot. I didn't really measure it, but if I find the specs of the length of the power cord, I will tell y'all. All right, so we hooked up the power. Let's go ahead and sit on our new throne. All right, now, of course, people should know how to use a chair, but if you don't know how to use a chair, we're gonna go over it. So right here, you have your adjuster right here. So let's stand up. When you stand up, the hydraulics go up, and then you can sit up high. If you want to sit down low, press it in, you sit down low. Simple as that. So let's go high a little bit. Now we up high. If you want to adjust your layback, your lever is right here to adjust your back, okay? And now, we are in our throne. Let's check this bad boy out. Ooh. All right, so I just hit the power mode, and when you hit the power mode, it automatically like go to random. So it's flipping to different parts of your body. So I got my neck, my back, lumbar, and thighs. And again, it's going random as it goes. It could change your intensity. You could put low intensity or high intensity. Again, this is a vibration. Let me see if I go to different modes. So I'm going to pulse. So pulse is like it's going just like this. Like like your pulse of your heart rate and all of that. All right, the next one is, what is that? I can't even see it, you guys. I'll take a photo and show it to you, but I'm on the second one right now. All right. And that one's just vibrating. Wave. All right, so I feel it. Oh, I actually feel it right there on my back. Let me see if I can push my back down some more. All right, it's working its way to my thighs now, and it's coming back up to my neck. So this one ain't bad. I actually like wave because you could feel it a little bit more. The first two felt like more. Oh, I feel it right there. If it could just stay on my back, that feels good. All right, so the first two, pulse, and this other one, I think it says press. These first two on here, they're more like vibration, but the wave, it's almost there to where, you know how you be in the mall with those the ones that actually dig deep in your tissue. It's almost there. Like I feel it, but it feels good though, especially when it gets to your back. I can't really feel it too much on my neck. It feels more like vibration on my neck area, but when it comes to my back, I feel like the pushing. All right. Let me go to the next mode. The next mode is auto. All right, so the auto is like a pulse and a wave combined. And it's going to all areas on your body. Okay. And then you have normal. So normal is all of them. Okay, so I probably will never use normal, you guys. I'm just going to keep it real with y'all. I like wave, and I want it on my back. Let me see if I could just keep it on my back. I got the intensity high. And on the bottom is a timer, so that's your decision. All right, so it's on my back. It's on my, but I want it on. I'll see if I can keep it on my back. All right, it's coming back on my back again. Oh man, wave is good, you guys. I like wave. Wave is pretty decent because I can actually feel something instead of just vibration. You actually feel like something's rubbing your body. I guess the only con that will come with this is that, you know, however far distance your wire is to your desk and your chair to your desk, all of that stuff, I guess that will be the only con. Again, you know what you're getting yourself into when you buy this. You have a wire attached, so you kind of know what you're getting yourself into. But that's the only con that I could think about. I'm 5'8", you guys. So if you see my legs on here, the further back you lay, the more of your legs will be on the chair. Okay, so make sure I don't hit the wall. All right, so again, you see how I'm laying? More of my legs are on the chair the further back you go. Again, I'm 5'8". If you're 6'3", of course, you're going to have more leg on the bottom. And I'm all the way out. So you could take that in consideration when you buying it. But that's about it with that. Oh, I could go back more. Okay. And then you have to get back up. All right. Hold that up. Lift it up. And that's about it, you guys. If y'all need to know anything else, please put it in the comment section. I am trying to get back to everybody as soon as possible. I will scrub all of my messages. I will scrub everything. Well, when I mean scrub, I mean scan. I will answer everybody questions. Been busy with a lot of stuff, man. So, man, we have a lot going on, a lot happening, and yeah, just been busy, but I will get to your questions. But please, if you have questions on this product, let me know. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Flip that back down, close it back in, play your games, and get massaged at the same time, all right? Alrighty, so that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.